raised in North Dakota till about 7 years ago.
And these right here,
Yeah,
in July and August, when it's real hot, we can take this and this cooler right here and fill this up with ice cold water and then stick it on the firefighter to cool them off after they've been inside.
27, get a copy of Bruce Fire, I-77 mile marker 18
So,
north.
want to try one on? And that would be filled with cold water and it's help cool the guys down. You know, those 110-degree days with 700% humidity.
Yeah. Plus, they're inside a burning building.
Yeah. And that can be anywhere from a couple hundred to a couple thousand degrees.
Yeah. And then, not to mention chemicals or anything else is burning.
Yeah.
We have a Georgia plate on our car, but it's